I got called out to a piece of equipment, hit a switch machine down at Rowen, so we're going down there. And my maintenance foreman, Don, called me up, wanted to know if I wanted some overtime. And I said, why, sure. So we're on the road down here towards the north end of Rowen. Got this UP train running alongside us, or us alongside him. I'm not sure how that works. How cool is that? I know it's not very cool. And he's going to come to a stop right here because of the problems we have. See those signals down there are red. It was real rough. Whoa! Got a gang behind us. They brought a new switch machine. They'll pull this one out, set the other one, and they're going to leave. We'll hook everything up, test it, put it back to work, go home. Oh, man. Maybe. We may have to call an ambulance. And here we are in North Rowen. More later. And in case anybody was wondering why I'm riding with my maintenance foreman and my buddy Don, well, my piece of junk Dodge, it's not really a piece of junk, but it's a Dodge, but it's been in the shop for 2 weeks, so I've been riding around with Don, and hopefully I'll get that truck back sometime next week. Anyway, that's why I'm riding with Don. I don't know why this guy's moving on through. He's slowing down again now. This is the switch machine that got hit. You can see the point detector rod has been severely bent back, busted the side out of the control box. I'll do a piece on switches in my How Things Work episodes. But that's why we have to change this one out. Power switch machine. It can be operated with those hand throw levers there, or it can be operated remotely by the dispatcher. There's the junction box that cable that runs over to that house. Concrete ties laid out here. It's the signal. That is the facing signal, and I'll do a segment on signals and how they work and why they are where they are, what colors and aspects mean. Anyway, that looks like this guy's picking up speed again. He's heading on. He is northbound. Bakersfield is that way. Keene is just right up there, about 2 miles up the tracks. Anyway, It's a big old long train. I'm not gonna sit here and shoot all of it. He's going so doggone slow. So we'll let this guy get out of here. We'll get to work. And there's Don working. I looked like I was in distress, so he took over. He told me, get out of the way. Get out of here. There's Andrew, Serta. They're gonna get ready to preparing the machine to get taken out. This gang here, I don't even know these guys, but they look like a bunch of hard workers. They come over here and pull this machine out here, put a new one in, and they're gonna beat feet, and we'll hook everything up and test it. Don is disconnecting the lock rods, which are the rods that lock the switch in place, either normal or reverse. It's connected to the switch point out there in the middle, as you can see. And then we have to take off the basket rod, which is the rod that applies pressure to the point to keep it closed. You gotta lift that old machine out of there.
What are we having them do? Just lift up a little bit so we can slide that out?
Trying to get there. They go. Get the lock rod out of the machine.
We're on the front side. We're the second one over on the pole.
Those things weigh about, I think it was about 700 or 800 pounds. They're big old heavy pieces of machinery. They're great pieces of machinery too. You get those things set up and adjusted right, and hardly ever anything goes wrong with them. About the only time we ever have to change them is when this happens, when somebody hits one. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but this one was hit by a piece of track equipment, a tamper. Don getting the base cleaned off, set the next one on, and get ready to do that. We'll do that.
I got it hold of it. You just worry about that. No, it's leaning that way. Okay, go ahead.
Ready to set the new machine. You got a couple of changes here before they set it. So
Get that hammer ready. We may have to pot them a little bit there just to get them adjusted right. All right. The holes you see here, that's this one here and that one there.
and just for reference, it was about 5 when we got here. It's about 5:45 now. This is actually going pretty quickly. A lot of work, but things go smoothly. It goes quickly. Dispatcher's working with us on foul time.
What? Yeah, I tried. Here, just put. It's not locked. There you go. Moved that a minute ago. We're still not in the blocks, though. I'm not in the blocks, though.
You're not?
And that's why, because that bolt is bent. Bring it up. Well, we can put it on and feed it over a little bit. You need a sledge? Yeah, right there? Not in a sledge. Bigger. That's also needed.
There it is. The machine's set in place. These guys can get out of here now and we'll finish it all up. All right, I guess I better get in there and help quit filming before everybody's mad at me. And here we are, everything's hooked up. One right, gonna throw it reverse. We've already tested the overload, point detector, lock rods. Don's in the house operating everything, throwing a reverse. And I'll go over there and got a couple more bolts we need to put in, tighten up. Get back to dispatcher, we'll be done. Bunch of genie asses, almost like we knew what we were doing. All right, here we are, all finished.
I'm gonna have them throw it back and forth.
Don littering. Yep, we're all done. It's about 7:15. Didn't take long at all. Got a gang of good guys doing stuff and working hard, and one guy filming. Again, that's looking back towards Tehachapi, south, railroad south, and that is looking towards.
Track light now. Really? Yeah. Where? J250 service. Right here.
Go ahead over.
Switch. On the other side between fucking here and
Now we got a problem there. That's Andrew's problem. Me and Don are leaving. Anyway,
Check right out there.
everything's working here at the switch. Sounds like we have some more problems somewhere else, but that's has nothing to do with us. Good job well done, and more later. And after the great job we did on the switch, they called us on a track indication, and there's the problem, broken rail right around the corner from where we were working. So now we can all go home and let somebody else come and fix this. Good night.